Have you had your KDP account suspended or closed? If not, have you heard about this happening to someone else? I will be discussing the top reasons why your KDP account could be closed. I want to help you avoid these pitfalls and keep your account in good standing. So let's get started. I'm now going to go through 11 reasons why your account could be closed or suspended. Reason number 1. Violations of content guidelines. Uploading and selling content that violates Amazon's content guidelines, such as explicit adult content, hate speech, plagiarism, or illegal materials, can result in account closure. Always double check your content to ensure it complies with Amazon's guidelines before hitting that publish button. Reason 2. Copyright infringement. Publishing content without proper authorization or ownership of the rights, including copyrighted text, images, or other media, can lead to account closure. Don't just copy other authors' work, and don't use images or quotes that are subject to copyright. Be creative and make any images or text that you use your own work. For more information, watch this video where I investigate copyright issues when using Canva. Reason 3. Quality issues. If you are consistently publishing low quality or poorly formatted books with numerous errors in grammar, spelling, formatting, and design, this might result in account closure. Getting volumes of books published is a great way to get sales. However, you need to work on quality before quantity. Reason 4. Manipulation of sales rank or reviews. If you are attempting to manipulate your book's sales rank or reviews through fraudulent means, fake reviews or incentivized reviews, it's against Amazon's policies and can lead to account closure. Remember, honesty is the best policy when it comes to building a successful and sustainable KDP business. Reason number 5. Violation of KDP Select terms. If you enrol your book in KDP Select, you agree to certain terms including exclusivity with Amazon. Publishing the same content on other platforms while enrolled in KDP Select can result in account closure. If you are using KDP Select, ensure that you are familiar with the terms and conditions. It is very easy just to select this with not knowing what's required, and this can get you into a lot of hot water. Reason 6. Misuse of metadata. If you're providing false or misleading information in your book's title, description or keywords to gain an unfair advantage in search results, it's against Amazon's rules and could lead to account closure. Watch this video where I explain what you should be including in each field when publishing your book. Using unrelated keywords or descriptions is a sure way to get your account closed. Reason 7. Repeated customer complaints. Consistently receiving customer complaints about the quality of your content, issues with purchasing, or poor customer service can trigger an account review and potential closure. Amazon aims to provide good customer service. If your books are not up to standard, there will be poor reviews and complaints. Your account will eventually be closed. Again, remember quality, not quantity. Reason 8. Payment issues. If Amazon encounters repeated issues with your payment information, or if you fail to provide accurate tax and banking information, your account could be suspended. Make sure your details are correctly added to your KDP account and that your taxation details are real. Reason 9. Multiple accounts. Operating multiple KDP accounts without proper authorization or attempting to manipulate sales figures by having multiple accounts can result in all related accounts being closed. This is one I see often. You cannot outsmart Amazon. They will find out if you have multiple accounts. Their algorithms check for it and your account will be terminated pronto. Just don't do it. Reason 10. Engaging in fraudulent activities. Now this one is obvious. However, I guess some people think that they can manipulate the system. Engaging in any form of fraudulent activity, such as trying to manipulate royalties, using fake identities, or engaging in deceptive practices, will lead to account closure. You're treading on thin ice if you're doing this. There is no quick way to make an income with KDP, and cheating surely will not get you there. Reason 11. Violations of Amazon's terms of service. Any violations of Amazon's broader terms of service beyond KDP specific guidelines could result in account closure. When signing up for your KDP account, you should make yourself familiar with the terms of service. Join Facebook groups and the KDP community pages. Ask questions if you're unsure. If you are serious about earning an income with KDP, like all businesses, you must be up to date with the rules. Don't take unnecessary chances or risks. It's important to always review Amazon's KDP guidelines and terms of service before publishing any content. If you're uncertain about a particular aspect of your publishing efforts, it's a good idea to seek clarification directly from Amazon's support channels. That's what they're there for. They will respond and they will give you the answers that you are seeking. Remember that Amazon's policies and procedures always evolve, to make sure to consult the latest information provided by Amazon. By avoiding these mistakes and staying compliant with Amazon's guidelines, you can continue to grow your KDP business and achieve success. So what can you do if your account is closed? If you have made a genuine mistake, or if you don't know why it was closed, you can appeal. Don't give up. There is an appeal process. This process can take time. However, there have been some recent encouraging results. Being truthful and apologetic is the best approach. If you are not successful in your appeal, you could consider using other platforms. Some of these platforms include Barnes & Noble Press, Ingram Spark, and Lulu. You may need to purchase your own ISBNs for these alternatives. So my final word on this is be smart, be careful, and if you don't know, ask. There is lots of help available to you. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Wombat Coaching for more valuable content to help you with your KDP journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.